G'day folks. I was just traipsing along by the river here, and I found, much to my pleasure, a Sulphur Crested Cockatoo standing at the threshold of her nest, or his nest. When I first came past before, only a minute ago, I could just see her tail sticking out, so I'm assuming she might have some chicks in there that she was feeding, or might have been moving some eggs around or something in there. Like most parrots, of course, this one's no exception. They build their nests in hollows, convenient hollows in trees, any sort of tree. She's got another door, that's cool. This is I think it's a liquid amber or something like that. But any convenient hollow will do. Like I said, most parrots, all parrots that I know of, nest in hollows. Some even dig holes in termite mounds and so on. Some are ground nesting, but very few. But she's got a lovely nest. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we've got a pair, a breeding pair. Mum or dad up top there, and there's the other one. Sorry about the passing traffic and so on, but there is a road coming along past here. I'll just pull back and you can see the type of tree it is. It's usually they usually prefer gum trees, but the hollows take so long to develop. But I'm rapt that I've got these two, and they're a lovely abode. Beautiful day. And they're just watching me watching them. This is actually the 1st of November, so they're well into breeding season. You've got a great little place there. You can see it's right next to the river. In a vast area, huge, beautiful area. Anyway, so that's a couple of Sulphur Crested Cockatoos at the nesting site. I'll just come around a bit here, and yeah, you can see. Can you see the tail? Or his tail. You just come around the front there. Where am I? Yeah, you can just see the tail. So she's head down in there, and the nest will be at the bottom of that hollow, of course. It doesn't seem to be too deep. She's either tending the nest or tending the young. And she'll have 2 or 3 babies down in there if they have hatched, and she'll be feeding them a porridge of seeds and grass seeds and all sorts of seeds and berries and things that she's grazed on during the morning. Excellent. Hope you enjoyed that. That's one of the, I don't often see them at the nest or in their hollows, so that was a good little score. Okay, Aussie birds rock. See ya.